Near the very end of her session, Kelly, she said to me, you know, Karen, she says, when I first called and asked you about being stuck, I thought you were going to confirm what I thought. I didn't want to say anything because I thought I knew all the reasons I was stuck. And she said, and I thought I was stuck at home because when I cry or when I say things and I try and talk to my husband, she said talk. She didn't say attack. And I had to correct her because she wanted to say when I talk to my husband, he shuts down on me. And I said, no. If you talk to him, I said, you would have a conversation. So when he's attacked, just like when he was a kid, when his parents attacked him, he went into attack back, attack first if you think it's coming, or if you don't have it within you to attack, totally shut down and frustrate the shit out of them. Just don't speak. Don't show any emotions, drive them crazy and watch them squirm. And so that's what he's doing to you. And she goes, well, that's where I thought I was stuck. I thought you were going to tell me that he was the one that had to go to therapy to be able to be a better listener because he wasn't listening to me.
Nobody wants to listen to anyone who's attacking you.
But she couldn't understand that. She couldn't understand that her own behavior was causing these responses.
You could be listening right now. Coffee with the Sarlos airs early for our patrons on patreon.com/the Sarlos.